Hi everyone, I'm going to introduce our new revolutionary air hammers which reduce 90% of vibration. So it will be protection to your hands. We have this kind of very special piston which is CNC. We want to maximize the velocity to bump into chisel here, but we don't want the piston when it's back to bump it so heavily. We want it to come back gently. So we use this airflow to control through the piston. This is the airflow through the piston to control this piston. So we can achieve maximum output to this way, but it came back very gently. And there's additional air spring to absorbing additional vibration. So compared to the traditional one, we reduce 90% of vibration. Also, this is the coupler, so easy to take it out. So you won't need this anymore. So now I'm putting a T into it and show you the traditional air hammers, the vibrating. So you can notice that it's bumping up and not easy to control, and the T comes up. Very low vibration, and it's easy to keep in the hammer in the same point because it don't bump up. So the traditional one, the piston, when you come back, it bumped this way so hard, so it's jumping. But this one, so when it's jumping, you're not easy to control the target. But this one is very easy to control target. Still very powerful. Like I use a completely flat thing, but it breaks it away. Just break it.